The gut-brain connection, how stress impacts your digestive health. That's right, stress can significantly impact your gut health. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating gut-brain connection and uncover how stress affects your digestive system. Plus, I'll share practical tips to manage stress and improve your gut health. Let's dive in. The gut-brain connection works both ways. Your brain influences your gut, and your gut can influence your brain. This happens through the vagus nerve, hormones, and neurotransmitters like serotonin, most of which are produced in the gut. When you're stressed, your brain sends signals that can disrupt gut function, leading to noticeable effects on your digestion and overall health. Chronic stress disrupts the balance of gut bacteria, leading to an unhealthy microbiome. This imbalance can impact digestion, immunity, and mood regulation. Stress triggers inflammation throughout the body, including the gut. This can worsen conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. Under stress, the body prioritizes survival over digestion. This fight-or-flight response slows down digestion, causing constipation, indigestion, or other discomforts. People with anxiety often report gastrointestinal symptoms, showing the strong link between mental health and gut health. Stress can lead to cravings for sugary or fatty foods, which disrupt gut health and create a cycle of stress and poor digestion. Spend a few minutes daily practicing mindfulness or meditation to reduce stress levels and calm your mind. Engage in activities you enjoy, like walking, yoga, or a gym workout. Exercise is a powerful stress reliever. Support your gut health by eating a diet rich in fiber, fruits, and vegetables. Remember, your diet affects how you feel. Proper hydration is essential for digestion and overall gut function. Drink plenty of water every day. If stress feels overwhelming, consider reaching out to a mental health professional. They can provide guidance and coping strategies. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments. Share your tips and experiences on managing stress and improving gut health. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Together, let's take steps toward better health.